In this video, I'm going to show you how to add HubSpot to Outlook. Now to do this, first you want to open Outlook, you want to go and click on any email you have in here, and then you want to go to the Home tab up top and click on More Apps under Add-ins. Whenever you do this, it's going to pop up this window and you want to click on Get Add-ins down here bottom right, and you want to go to the search button top right and type in HubSpot, okay? Now whenever you do this, two of them are going to pop up. There's the HubSpot Sales and then HubSpot Connector. I recommend clicking Show All Results over here, so it's going to show you all of them available currently. For me, there's two right now. We have the Sales, which allows you to organize leads, track email opens and clicks, and send email templates all in one place. Or you also have the HubSpot Connector, which is an easy tool to use full-featured integration between Outlook Mail, Calendar, and HubSpot CRM. So depending on which one you want to use, you want to click on the Add button. I'm actually going to go with the HubSpot Sales. I'm going to hit the Add button, and then I'm going to hit the Continue button over here. Now, as you can see, it's now been added, and it's going to pop in like this, so it's going to show exactly where it can be used. So this one can be used while reading emails, while composing emails, and while reading meeting invitations as well. Now let's test how this actually works. So as you can see, there's going to be a few use cases. I'm going to go and click on an email, for example. So I'm going to create a new one. And I'm going to actually pop it up like this so we can see a bit better. And if I start composing an email, you'll see that up top here, there's going to be a few things. And inside the Message tab, there's the Apps menu. Inside Apps, there's now the HubSpot we just added. So you want to click on it, and there we go. It's going to allow you to log into your HubSpot account or sign up if you don't have one. And once you've done this, you can start using it directly inside Outlook. Now, as I said, this can also be done while reading emails. So over here, click on Apps, HubSpot Sales, there we go, same thing goes, and same is going to be inside the meetings you are creating or reading, okay? So that's how to add HubSpot to Outlook. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.